2018 Northwood Nash 17K.
All right.
And then you got an electric tongue jack, all right? It's amazing. You don't have to just sit there and crank on it all day. So we got our 2 propane tanks here, and then which is amazing is we have our diamond plate shield here. So when you're driving down the highway, you don't have rocks destroying the face of your trailer. So moving on right over here, we have a nice crawl space, and the awesome thing with it is you have some LED lights, okay? Now, moving on a little further this way, so you have a nice solid handle and you got some nice solid steps. Now, since we are in the Nash, the nicest thing about this is you have a big, huge back window. And then you have a dinette right underneath it, so when you're having dinner, you can actually enjoy the view that you are actually trying to enjoy. Now this does pop down to make into a nice little bed. Now if you're about 6'2" like I am, it's going to be kind of hard to actually sit there, but it turns into a bed. Now moving on this way is you have a nice kind of double sink here, and then a little further down you have a 3-burner stove top, which is kind of neat. You can do all your cooking there. You have a little stove as well inside. And one thing we always have issues with is space. Where are you going to put everything? You have plenty of space down here for absolutely everything, as you can see. Now onto the bathroom, guys. We have a nice countertop inside, and then the kind of cool thing is you actually have a nice decent sized shower. I'm a bigger guy, and you can actually get in here and move around a little bit. Now onto the queen size bed, which is kind of neat, is you have storage underneath, so you really don't have any issues with storage. On top you have more storage, which is always useful. And then over here on the left side you actually have a plug in for your laptop, your phone, pretty much anything you want. And then you have a little more space on the sides, and you have a little cubby underneath as well. We got a dual axle trailer, which is great for towing, kind of makes the ride a little nicer. And we have a power awning, which is kind of nice. So if it's rainy or kind of anything like that, you just want to go and enjoy the outside, you can. And you also have outside speakers. So to the back of the trailer, we have a nice bumper, which you can tow stuff on, and you do have a spare tire, which is always nice. And the cool thing with Nashes is you can get on the roof. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can. You have your generator spot here, which, you know, if you got your generator, you can throw it in there. And then you have, once again, a utility shower. So if you're outside playing in the sand, in the mud, you can actually wash off your dog, which is gonna be a little nice and useful. And the other side of the space. Thank you guys for clicking on this Northwood Nash 17K. I am JD, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to give me a call or a text at 541-954-4683. Thank you so much.